Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you will learn how to use the Revolve features to create a solid around an axis. So open your Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. Here will be the midpoint. So we have all the dimensions here. The distance between this line here and this one is 15 millimeters, okay? And the distance between this point and this point here is 50 millimeters. So open your Fusion and let's go. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select the line, make a line here, 50 millimeters here. Create this sketch. We'll put all the dimensions later, okay? Now go to dimensions or press letter D in the keyboard. The distance here 8 millimeters, the angle here 45 degrees, the angle here is 60 degrees, and the distance between these two lines here 20 millimeters, and the distance between these two lines, let me make this a vertical line here. Select the constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this line and select this one, okay. Go to dimension again. The distance here 15 millimeters, okay. We made this. Finish the sketch. Now we need to revolve this. So we'll revolve this. The angle here is 270 degrees, okay. So go to Revolve features. The profile, select this profile, and the axis, select this line here. And the angle 270 degrees, okay. The Revolve features revolves a sketch profile around a selected axis, okay. The operation here, new body, press OK. We made this. Now press letter A in the keyboard, and here click here and show the material, select the paint, glossy, and here select the face, select this face here, hold Ctrl in the keyboard and select this one, the color here yellow, select this face here and this face here, the color here black, and select this two face here, select the red here, okay. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.